very important to know it before you miss it or make mistakes. You should enroll on time. If you wait to sign up, you may have to pay penalties when you join. I will cover the penalties in another video. For now, let's take a look at various enrollment periods. Let's start with initial enrollment period. This is the first time you can sign up for Medicare. You can sign up for Medicare 3 months before your 65th birthday, the month of your birthday, and 3 months after your birthday. During this time, you may join Medicare Parts A, B, C, and D. It is very important to remember that. If you're not automatically enrolled, you can sign up for free Part A, of course if you're eligible, at any time during or after your initial enrollment period starts. Your coverage start date will depend on when you sign up. If you have to buy Part A and/or Part B, you can only sign up during a valid enrollment period. If you wait until the month you turn 65 or the 3 months after you turn 65 to enroll, your Part B coverage will be delayed. This could cause a gap in your coverage. Once your initial enrollment period ends, you may have a chance to sign up for Medicare during a special enrollment period, or SEP. If you're covered under a group health plan based on current employment and you choose to keep current coverage past your 65th birthday, you have an SEP anytime as long as you or your spouse or family member, if you're disabled, is working, or you're covered by a group health plan through the employer or union based on that work. You also have an 8-month SEP to sign up for Parts A and B that start at one of these times, whichever happens first. So 1, the month after the employment ends, or the month after group health plan insurance based on current employment ends. You may join Medicare Parts A, B, C, and D during this time. Again, keep in mind that you have only 8 months to sign up for Parts A and B after group employer health coverage has ended, and for Parts C and D, you only have 63 days to sign up after the group coverage has ended. Usually, you don't pay a late enrollment penalty if you sign up during the SEP. If you miss your initial enrollment period or your special enrollment period, you have 2 additional periods to enroll. One of them is general enrollment period. You can sign up for Part A and/or Part B during the general enrollment period between January 1st and March 31st each year if both of these apply. You didn't sign up when you were first eligible, or you aren't eligible for a special enrollment period. During this time, you can only enroll in Part A and/or Part B. It is very important to remember that if you need to enroll in Part A, you must also enroll in Part B at this time. You must pay premiums for Part A and/or B. Your coverage will start July 1st. You may have to pay a higher premium for late enrollment in Part A and/or a higher premium for late enrollment in Part B. Open enrollment period runs every year from October 15 through December 7th. During this time, you can sign up for health plans like Part C or Part D, or make changes to coverage you already have. You don't have to sign up for Medicare health plans every year. However, each year you'll have a chance to review your coverage and change plans. You may join Medicare Part C and D during this time. Here's another open enrollment I would like to mention, and that is Medigap Open Enrollment. Medigap is also known as Medicare Supplement Insurance. It is recommended that you buy a Medigap policy during your 6-month Medigap Open Enrollment period. This period automatically starts the month you are 65 or older and enrolled in Medicare Part B. If you apply for Medigap coverage after your open enrollment period, there is no guarantee that an insurance company will sell you a Medigap policy if you don't meet the medical underwriting requirements, unless you're eligible due to a special